Alright family, you're welcome back to my channel today. So in today's video I have compiled popular requests. This is jumbo braid with coils at the tip. Yeah, so these coils at the tip, you can easily achieve it using your flexi rods, and also sometimes some stylists they use thread, rubber thread or woody thread to achieve this coil at the tip. And you can as well depend on the stylist, you can as well make it the knotless braid or knot braid. But most times if you watch most of the model I'm displaying here, a lot of them the stylist made it a knot braid, like this one you see right now. And also this one is not a knot braid, this is a knotless braid. So it all depends. Most times when the braid is jumbo, it's always beautiful when it's not braids. Yeah, and this hair is you can use the synthetic coils in between, like what you see right now. She used synthetic coils, at the same time she still coiled the tip of her hair. So I love this hair, and I think I'm going to do this hair in my this style my next hair updo, because it's unique and beautiful. You don't need to make it long. The beauty is when the hair is a bit short. Yeah, more like maximum 18 inches is more beautiful. Like this one now is still knotless braids, but it's not as jumbo as the previous one. This one is also a knotless braid and is the jumbo braid. Yes guys, what I noticed also about this braid is most of the model they like wearing it with black braids, and it's also you can use the gold, like the beginning of this video you saw gold. This is one is brown, I think this is color 2. Yeah, but it's common with black braids. But if I want to make this style, I think I'm gonna use a wine color braids, because I'm looking forward to rocking a wine color braid like what you see now. This is more like a red, not a wine. So you can choose to tint the base of your hair, you can choose not to, even if your hair is black. Yes guys, this brings me to the point where I urge you to watch my video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Yes, subscribe, your subscription is very important, and I will see you in my next video. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for watching my video down to this stage. If you know you love this video, how about to give it a thumbs up? Yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, very important. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye bye.